Welcome to the Phenome app, your all-in-one personalized health and wellness platform for understanding and improving your health. Getting started is simple. Create an account and enter your basic details. Next, you'll be guided through a short health profile including your medical history and lifestyle habits. This helps tailor the experience to you. The more detail you provide, the more personalized your insights will be. Now that your account is set up, it's time to connect your Phenome Tech device. Tap Add Device, and the app will automatically scan for nearby devices. Your Phenome Tech ring has been detected. Tap to pair, and within moments, your device is connected and ready to go. In your devices list, you'll see all paired Phenome Tech devices. You can tap on any device to rename it, giving it a custom label that makes sense to you. Now you're ready to explore your dashboard. Your homepage is your Living Health dashboard. At a glance, you can see a complete overview of your well-being, from activity and recovery to nutrition and sleep. Everything you need, all in one place. Tap into any section to explore deeper insights and understand how different factors influence your well-being. For example, you can view your body's capacity, a measure of how well your body manages longer-term physical and physiological load. Returning to the dashboard, you'll also find your health journal. Everything you do, from workouts to walks, is captured here, giving you a rich picture of your movement over time. Let's log an activity. I'm going to start a yoga workout. Tap Add Activity, select Yoga, and hit Start. As you move, your Phenome Tech ring records in real time, tracking your workout duration, heart rate, and calories burned. No manual input needed. Just focus on your practice. Once your workout is complete, it's saved to your journal. You can review all your recorded activities across the week, month, or even the full year. Next, head over to your diet section, where you have everything you need to stay on top of your nutrition. Set your daily calorie target, log your meals, and monitor your intake with ease. Adding a meal is simple. Search for your food from our extensive database, or scan your meal using your phone's camera for instant recognition. The app automatically identifies the nutritional profile and adds it to your daily intake. You can then review your nutritional trends with daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly averages. You can also track personal habits. By completing habits consistently, the platform learns more about your lifestyle and helps shape your individual health outcomes. Scrolling down, you'll reach your health monitor. This is where you get granular insight into your body's biomarkers. Monitor your step count, total calories burned, and step distance, keeping tabs on your daily movement in an easy, digestible format. Dive deeper into your vital signs: respiratory rate, body temperature, blood pressure, blood oxygen saturation, resting heart rate, live heart rate, and heart rate variability. A comprehensive view of how your body is functioning right now. Your stress score helps you understand how your body responds to both physical demands and internal pressures. Sleep Insights provide a deeper look into your recovery, including your sleep duration, consistency, and overall sleep efficiency. All your insights are all conveniently located in one place within the app. From genomic data to microbiome analysis, tap into any insight. For example, your comprehensive genomic test. You'll see your full detailed report right here in the app. And when you're ready to share or save it, simply generate a PDF with a single tap. You'll also find Longevity AI built directly into the app. Ask questions about your health data, biomarkers, test results, or nutrition, and receive personalized insights based on your own information. If you need further expert guidance, the app connects you directly with health professionals. Book a one-on-one consultation with a qualified nutritionist, genetic counselor, or functional medicine specialist at your convenience. Browse and purchase Phenome Tech products directly within the app. From devices to test kits, everything is available at your fingertips. Track all your orders, view delivery status, and activate your test kits right here in the app, making the entire experience seamless, from purchase to first use. Above all, the app is built around ownership and transparency. You remain the sole owner of your data, with full control over how it is stored, shared, and used. Your data, your health, your future. The Phenome Longevity app, now available on App Store and Google Play.